What's going on, guys? Got an AC that's not working. Okay, we got thermostat set to cool, auto, and we're set at 68 degrees, 71 in the apartment now. And we got the indoor blower motor running, but I don't hear any refrigerant moving through the lines. So we don't have, our outdoor condenser is not running. Let's check the float switch. Bone dry in there. So let's check the breaker. And AC, that's our condenser breaker right there. And it's on. So let me show you the air coming out of the vent. And see, we got 69, 70 degrees coming out of the vent. Well, the surface temp anyway, so we know it's 71 in here, and the surface temp up there is 69, so we definitely know we have no AC. So let's go outside and check the condenser. I just heard it trying to start. Let's get the cover off here and check the cap. Okay, contactor's pulled in. There's our cap, 35.5. So get that unhooked, check it out. Okay, the purple and red's common, brown's a fan, yellow is the Herm for the compressor. Alright, we're at the shop, and here's the cap we pulled out, 35/5. Get our meter out and we'll give it a test. Okay, so we're going to turn our meter to MFD. That's what it is here on the field piece. Okay, we got our meter on MFD, and should be able to see it here, see what it reads. So the first one will go to common, to our fan. Yeah, looks like we're getting nothing. Alright, now we'll go common to Herm. Zero, 2, which nothing. So this capacitor here is shot. Now I got another one, or a new one right here, 35/5. Always want to test out your new capacitor before you install it, make sure it's good. Turn our light back on. Same thing, common has 4, fan 1, and your Herm is 3, which Herm is your compressor. So here we go. Let's go common to Herm. 34.7. Now we'll go from common to fan. 4.9. So I got a good cap. I'm going to throw this in. We'll see if it fires up. Take our brown to our fan. It's red to common. Purple to common as well. And yellow to Herm. Alright, we're all wired up. Go ahead and throw the cover on. Contactor still pulled in. Thermostat still calling. Fire in the hole. Alright, we'll let it run for a good 15-20 minutes. Let it stabilize. See what our temp is at our vents, which there was never a cooling problem with this before until now that it wasn't coming on. So I believe the charge is good. Go check that. Alright, we're back inside and I can feel the cool air already, and I can hear the refrigerant moving through the lines, so that's good. Now we'll check the vent just to get an idea. At 50 degrees, which is our surface temp. Obviously it's not the air coming out, but that just tells me that got cool air. Before it was room temperature. And one last thing I like to do anytime I work on a call or an AC call, of course I always change the filter if it needs it, and I add pan tablets right here, new Calgon. These are good tablets here, I like. Actually gonna clean this coil off a little bit. You can see a little bit dust build up down here. Clean that off too. And we'll put some pan tablets in there. Alright, well thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.